wisdom remains true even today, reminding us that caring about our physical fitness directly impacts on our mental and emotional well-being. We all know that to build a strong future, we must first need to build a strong foundation, and that begins with caring for our own selves.
How great the chasm that lay between us, how high the mountains I could not climb. In desperation, I turned to heaven and spoke your name into the night. And through the darkness, your loving kindness struck from the shadows of my soul. The world is finished, the end is written, Lord, my living hope. Imagine so great a mercy, for none could fathom such boundless grace.
I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, but this wasn't too bad.
See, you get moving, you start feeling the benefits. More energy, better mood, and stronger health. Fitness is all about consistency, not about perfection.
Alright, I get it. This is better than sitting around. Maybe I will start doing this more often. But only if chicks are still allowed after the workout.
It's 8:25 a.m.